The percentage of meditators in India is 8.1%. The percentage of meditators in Europe is 15.7%. Is India truly the capital of meditation? Our Bharata has been the birthplace of meditation for thousands of years. Our ancestors discovered the profound benefits of this practice, nurturing their minds and souls. Meditation became an integral part of our culture, connecting us with our spiritual roots. However, as our society evolved and modernized, a peculiar shift occurred. We started placing more value on external achievements like career, wealth, societal status. As time passed, societal expectations and the fear of being judged started impacting our willingness to engage in introspective practices like meditation, yoga. We became concerned about what others would think, friends, colleagues, or even family. This fear of judgment grew so strong that many Indians began to feel shy, even ashamed to openly express their interest in meditation. They feared being labeled as unconventional or spiritual outsiders. Now, this is an emotional topic, so embrace yourself for a roller coaster of feelings. Let's dive in. Why India need meditation? Because our world has become a bustling hive of activity. Our lives are filled with constant stimuli, distractions, and stress. In this chaotic environment, Vedic meditation offers a much needed refuge. The time has come for us to redefine what it meant to be Indian. More specifically, what it meant to be the people of Bharata. Let's reclaim our heritage of meditation and restore it to its rightful place in our lives. It's time for us to celebrate our unique culture and values rather than suppress them in the name of modernization. Today in India, if we ask someone, why don't you try meditation to calm your mind? The first thing he or she is gonna tell you is, I have work. There are problems in my life. It's not easy for me to find time. And this very same person will then spend the next 2 hours in watching Instagram reels. But the reality is, yoga and meditation has been completely westernized. We see videos of foreigners doing yoga and meditation a lot, not Indians. So we started to think that if we do yoga and meditation, it will be cringy. Second, the population density of India. People of India don't feel much comfortable doing meditation outside in parks and beaches because it's crowded everywhere. Third, most of the yoga centers in India prefers to teach foreigners rather than Indians. Yes, it's true, I have seen it. Because foreigners pay a lot of money. Yoga and meditation is a part of our culture, not a commodity for sale. To truly understand the power of Vedic meditation, we must first grasp its roots. Vedic meditation is an ancient technique derived from the Vedas, the oldest scriptures of the world. Ancient times, we had a lot of Gurukula. In the Gurukulas, we had dhyana. Manasa dhyana mitraye kapuyam ve prana. It means Lord Shiva is telling you, with mind, meditate on me as being prana. The term dhyanam appears in the Vedic literature such as Rigveda and Taittiriya Aranyaka. The Brahma Sutra, which distills the teaching of the Upanishads, one of the 3 foundational texts of the Vedanta school of Sanatana Dharma. It has been practiced for thousands of years, and it is designed to help individuals achieve deep state of relaxation, clarity of mind, and self-awareness. In today's fast-paced world, time has become a valuable commodity. Many Indians lead busy lives, juggling work, family, and social obligations, leaving very little time for personal pursuits. Today, meditation often associated with long hours of sitting in silence. That's why we think it is time-consuming practice that is difficult to integrate into our daily routine. Imagine a society where meditation is a regular part of our lives, where we gather together, unafraid, to meditate in parks, community centers, and temples. A society where meditation becomes a bonding experience, fostering empathy and compassion among fellow Indians. The power to bring this change lies within each and every one of us. We must break the chain of shyness and encourage those around us to embark on their own journey of self-discovery. Let us cultivate an environment that nurtures openness and acceptance. Let us empower one another to embrace meditation without fear or hesitation. As I conclude this emotional journey, let's remember that the path to transformation begins with a single step. Let's take that step together, hand in hand, and inspire generations to come. That's all I have for today. Please share this with others. That's all I ask. Have a good day, everyone.